The Aerosofa is an innovative transforming couch that combines comfort with versatility, offering multiple uses and adapting to various spaces and situations. It features a lightweight and inflatable design, allowing for easy setup and portability, and can be transformed from a couch to a bed, lounge chair, or even a makeshift workspace. Key features: the Aerosofa's unique design allows it to transform seamlessly from a couch to a bed, lounge chair, or even a makeshift workspace, catering to various needs and preferences. This versatility makes it an ideal choice for small apartments, home offices, or even outdoor spaces. Utilizing durable and lightweight PVC, the Aerosofa is constructed using an inflatable design. This allows for quick and easy setup and deflation, making it highly portable and convenient for travel or storage. Despite its inflatable nature, the Aerosofa provides exceptional comfort and support. It features a multi-pressure point drop stitch construction that evenly distributes weight and contours to the body, reducing pressure points and promoting relaxation. The Aerosofa's fabric is water-resistant and dust-proof, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. It can withstand splashes and spills, and the dust-proof material ensures easy cleaning and maintenance. The Aerosofa's sofa arms can be easily detached and reattached, allowing for customization and additional versatility. This feature is particularly useful when transforming the couch into a bed or lounge chair. The Aerosofa comes with a built-in air pump that quickly inflates and deflates the couch. This eliminates the need for external pumps or compressors, adding to its convenience and portability. Here's a summary of the pros and cons of the Aerosofa. Pros: transforming design for versatile use. Lightweight and inflatable construction for portability. Exceptional comfort and support with multi-pressure point drop stitch construction. Water-resistant and dust-proof fabric for indoor and outdoor use. Detachable sofa arms for customization and versatility. Built-in air pump for convenient inflation and deflation. Durable construction for long-lasting use. Easy cleaning and compact storage. Cons: price may be higher than some traditional furniture. May require initial adjustment to the inflatable concept. Some users may prefer a more traditional couch design. Overall, the Aerosofa stands out as a game-changer in furniture design, redefining the concept of a couch with its innovative features and versatility. It caters to the modern lifestyle, where adaptability, convenience, and space-saving solutions are increasingly valued. As the demand for flexible and functional furniture grows, the Aerosofa is poised to play a significant role in shaping the future of home living. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.